Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone flash whenever you get a notification alert. So let's get started. So in order to do this, we need to turn on a setting on our iPhone. So you're going to start with going into your setting, and then from there on, we're going to go to accessibility. And from accessibility here, we're going to scroll down a little bit further. In the hearing section, we're going to go to audio and visual. Now from audio and visual, you're going to scroll all the way to the very bottom, and under the visual section where it says LED flash for alerts, we're going to tap on that, and then we need to go ahead and turn that setting on. Now additionally, there's two more settings that you might want to consider. If you want the flash while your iPhone is unlocked, meaning you're using the iPhone, if you still want that flash, you want to turn that on, which is optional. And then flash in silent mode. If you're in silent mode, if you want the flash still, you'll turn that on. So these two are optional in terms of if it's unlocked and in silent mode, if you want the flash. If you don't, you'll turn these off. So you can just turn all of them on. And each time you get a notification like a call, text message, or any alerts, your iPhone will do a quick flash. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.